Hey DLT, I just want to make a quick video to tell you what we talked about today in our Zoom meeting. I'm super excited about it. So we are launching virtual grilling to give starting next week, and we need you to be a part of it, please, as much as you can. So I want to give you a quick lowdown on it so you have the details, and then I need you to help with the video, okay? The videos. So starting next week, Wednesday, which is May 20th. Yep. We're going to launch virtual G2G on all of our DECA's social media and the OAST social media. So this week we'll be getting them that information. And then we'll also release a video that we need you to record over the next couple of days. We'll announce the charities, which are the Lake Area Free Clinic and Muscular Dystrophy. Then starting on May 21st through May 27th, we'll just do 2 to 3 posts a day just announcing virtual grilling to give. And the details of what we're going to actually do for virtual grilling to give are in this planning doc. My HSB Business Strategies class has taken this on. It was their choice. So half of them are taking it on as their project. The other half of the class is doing something different. They just don't know DECA like you do. So I actually really need you to mentor them and to make some changes. The first couple of days of them doing some creative planning was pretty rough, not gonna lie. We need a little bit more creativity because you guys are familiar with DECA and creativity. So we'll be doing some posts and they're going to be planning those over the next couple of days, but honestly, we'll probably modify some of them. So I'll need your help with that. Then May 28th through June 2nd is when we're doing virtual grilling to give. And kind of the gist of it is people posting pictures of themselves in cootie gear, grilling out, coming up with their own burger creations. Thanks, Charlie, for that idea. It was really good. So that's actually in this planning doc, all the ideas that we came up with during the Zoom using the hashtag virtual G2G. And then on June 3rd, after everything is done, we're going to actually finish it June 1st. Or is it June 2nd? Please hold. No, June 2nd it'll finish. Okay, so June 3rd we'll announce how much money is raised and do some thank you posts. It'll be available in the web store for people to purchase a meal for $5 each, and we'll encourage people to post or to buy more than one meal. Ray Menting put together the social media tracker, so as we come up with some post ideas, we'll put them in there, and then we'll ask Ellie to post those. So our opening video is going to be of you. Miss Wiesman is going to find a video of you guys, like people dropping things. You know, you've seen those, kind of like the basketball team did. Oddly showed that where they actually had like a ball coming from one side and then throw it to the other side, but we're going to do a drop. So we need you to sign up and wear your G2G shirt, preferably from last year, with an item that you can drop. So whatever you have in the house that's grilling related is totally fine. It could be ketchup or skewers. Skewers might be weird. That's almost like a weapon. And then you're going to film your short segment landscape on your phone and send it to whomever is willing to put this video together. The last person on the list way down here is going to be the person who can catch everything. So if you feel like you have a lot of burger stuff or you're willing to go out and buy a lot of burger stuff, I'm sorry, not burger stuff, grilling stuff, put your name last and then you can just be that catch-all and all person. That'd be really fun. So if you have other ideas, we need to hear from you and you can add those into this planning doc. G2G staff, I actually added you into this planning doc with some stuff to do over the next couple of days. So take a look at that. And yeah, I'm excited to start getting ready to share with your friends. Okay, have a great day. Today's rainy, but tomorrow's going to be amazing. Okay, see ya. Bye.